To obtain a preliminary injunction, which is a temporary order commanding a party to act or refrain from acting that's issued prior to or during trial, a plaintiff must show irreparable harm. To establish irreparable harm, a party must prove that the harm is certain, great, and of such imminence that there's a clear and present need for equitable relief. In Almurbati v. Bush, a federal district court considered whether Guantanamo Bay detainees could obtain a preliminary injunction against the United States government for speculative threats of injuries. Following the terrorist attacks on September 11, 2001, 6 Bahraini nationals, including Isa Ali Abdulla Almurbati, were captured abroad and detained in a U.S. military prison in Guantanamo Bay, Cuba. In 2004, the United States Supreme Court, in Rasul v. Bush, held that federal courts have jurisdiction to hear habeas corpus petitions by prisoners being held in Guantanamo Bay. Following that decision, Almurbati and other detainees filed a petition for habeas corpus in the United States District Court for the District of Columbia. As part of the petition, the detainees moved for a preliminary injunction, asking the court to forbid the government from transferring them out of the prison without 30 days' notice. The detainees presented news reports that the government was planning to reduce the prisoner population at Guantanamo Bay by transferring hundreds of prisoners. In addition, the news reports stated that the government has transferred prisoners to countries that employ inhumane interrogation techniques. Further, the detainees alleged that they were told by prison officials that they were going to be sent to prisons where they would be sexually abused or tortured. In response, the government argued that the detainees' claims were remote and speculative. The government submitted sworn declarations from high-level prison officials stating that it consults with several agencies to ensure that the transfers wouldn't result in torture or inhumane treatment. Further, the declarations stated that the government seeks assurances of humane treatment prior to transfer, that prisoners won't be transferred if there are concerns of mistreatment, and that all transfers from Guantanamo Bay had been back to the prisoner's home country. The district court then considered the detainees' motion for a preliminary injunction.